Hey everyone, just a quick video of these two new bright Caterpillars. They're remote controlled, but it's not a wireless remote. They have wires. They're the old ones from the late 1980s into the early 90s. So yeah, on your left you have the Caterpillar 992C, and on the right you have the Cat 245D. And behind them you have a cat. So yeah, an actual cat, not the Caterpillar. But anyways, the one on the right I'm going to be selling because I have two of them. So if anybody's interested in buying them, please let me know. It's either going to be best offer or something like that. So yeah. Or best or first offer, I guess you'd say. They both run brand new out of box, because that's kind of how I got them. And ever since I got them out of the box, they've been on a shelf, so all they've ever had was shelf life. So here we go. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of the excavator in use. And there you go. And just a real quick demonstration of the front loader. There you go. Again, if anybody's interested in buying the excavator, please let me know. And please rate and subscribe. Thank you for your views.